Alright, Pyros. Wanted to give you a stash update when I had a chance. It's just a little stash update. Just a little pickup. Look what we have here. Learn to wait to open this. See all that debris sitting on it. Picked up a case of these bad boys. Looky there. Very nice. This is like some of my favorite artwork by the brand here. Looky there, looky there. Very nice. Happy to pick up a case of these. Picked up a few boxes of these bad boys. Was real happy to get these. I've never even seen this box of shells by the brand. It's pretty sick too. Some sick artwork on here. Still got the logo on it. Of course, I picked up a few boxes of these too. Some of my favorite ball shells. And they come 12 per box. Was real happy to see these. You don't see them around anymore too much. Picked up those. And then of course, had to grab a box of the Don't Panics. It's the clown logo. Grab one of those for my brother's collection. Got a couple more of these 200-gram cakes. Look at these bad boys. Classic. The other one's proving a little more difficult to open. We got Bad Piggies and Soundcheck, both 25 shots from the brand. And then of course, I recently just got a case of these bad boys. 8-inch juggernauts. You got your 8-inch masters. Your Hydras, your Astro Boys, your King Cobras. Some of these will do for the 8-inch shell comparison. Got some other stuff I plan on demoing soon too. We'll do some rockets too. I've been definitely wanting to do these space Huevos I got. And check out and see how the finisher rockets are. Just wanted to give you guys a quick stash update while I had a chance. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe.